Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to ABAP sessions. Session number 100 and 102 sessions we are going to cover today. That is, yesterday we thought of to complete data types and data object, but still we did not. So we will see how best we'll cover today. Coming back to the introductory part, first review, recap. Okay. So first we have completed the introduction. Then later on architecture, login, logout procedure, screen navigation, then SC level, tables, data element domains, structures, then next foreign key, views, search help, then performance factors on the database tables. That is set of SC level discussion. Now, after that, we have started ABAP program. In this, immediately we have to study this end to end. There is a one book called as BC-ABAP programming. So this BC stands for basis components. Actually, ABAP program. You can search it in the Google. You will get it. This BC-ABAP programming. This book is almost having 1486 pages, which actually it seems like the 4.6c release. That is, it's a old PDF. It was developed in the very old 2001 SAP AG copyrights reserved. So this is the SAP standard way. SAP uses Microsoft tools, IBM, Oracle, other tools. Every tool they have their own proprietary, and these are all our SAP tools. Right? Then next, so while reading these symbols you come across. This is caution symbol, example symbol, note, recommendations, as well as syntax, SYN syntax. Right. So here, just have a look at what is there in this. Introduction, this is your architecture, the day one, whatever we covered, architecture is here. Create change programs using repository browser, that is SC80 or SC15 earlier. Next, programming language syntaxes, types and objects, basic statements, data types and data objects. Okay. Yes. After that, we have complete operations, different types of bitwise operations, type conversions, field symbols, data references, okay, internal table concept in detail, depth. Next, structures and internal tables. Then there is a one data cluster concept also covered. Working with the files like open dataset, close read dataset. Then under modularization, macros include subroutines, function modules, and the screens working with dialog screens, that is module for screens, selection screens, each syntax, each checkbox. You can, this is topic name, and as against this, you will find a hyperlink to go to that particular page. You can directly type the page number here so that you can go to that page. Okay, otherwise you have a search button here. This is the way you can work with this screen PDF. This is the foundation fundamental course. Once we have to study the entire 1486 pages, everything without missing. That is called as ABAP programming, which includes classic ABAP and OOPS ABAP completely. Yes. Yes, this example, this PDF covers also around 200 to 300 examples are there here. These examples also you can practice it, copy, paste it in your editor. Okay. So because here, if anybody ask me where I am preparing these notes, SAP notes, actually I am preparing these notes from the original library, original SAP PDF, and it is a mix of certification material, and on top of that my own style or my own way of approach. Okay, this is my style. simplifying approach. Okay, bullet points so that any fresher can understand it easily. This is what. Okay. So, but finally, I'm saying that you have to follow SAP PDF only. That's why today I'll share this PDF with you guys in the WhatsApp group so that you can go through it. Any questions also, you have a lot of work to do because 2 hours listening, attending this sessions having around the next another 6 to 8 hours you have to work. Okay. So you have to data, you have to do lot many homework. What to do? I am giving lot of tips and tricks here, so you can refer it, go through it. Any questions? Most welcome. I am here to clarify over all of your doubts. But you have to initially when we read this PDF, this is written in a high level way, like little high level documentation, keywords and all. But slowly, daily, if you read it, definitely you will adapt it. Okay. It's finally, you cannot generalize the syntax, generalize the things in the interview or any client presentation. Okay. We have to use the IT vocabulary, SAP vocabulary, ABAP programming related terminology. You have to use it. You can observe me. I read this book a number of times, and even certification books around 2,500 pages. Okay, 5 books. Each book is having 500 pages. 2,500 pages. I completed for 50 times minimum. That's how I know, like each and every point, even at minute level, because we are going each topic in depth, and finally we are going to cover the like simply to complex programming stuff also. So you have to keen observe and follow the string theory, practicals, many things immediately. Do not postpone because again I'm going to cover the new things on the next day. Today's topic is always extension to the yesterday's. So if you miss by mistake yesterday's or you did not gone through that today directly attending today's session leads to a lot of confusion. Lot of confusion rather than clarity. That's the reason you have to go through it. How you work on your timetable, schedule, and all that is everyone must have their own plan. Okay. Yes. We want the guide that way. Yes. Go to interactive list, classical list reporting, messages, and again programming blocks, events used in LDB, events used in selection screen, dialog screen, events. Then again, how inter-program communication, how do you call the sequences, okay, transactions, calling programs, calling transactions, then open SQL statements, native SQL statements, LDBs, then context, then LUW concept, synchronous asynchronous update, then whoops, ABAP objects. Actually, whoops concept is called as ABAP OVO or OVO ABAP. That is nothing but ABAP objects, technically speaking. In ABAP objects, we have to study the hmm, what is whoops, classes, and events, and attributes, methods, and events. Set of discussion. Then object handling, abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism. Okay. Yes. Right. Now this is your ABAP statements overview, glossary, and all. Yes. This covers the entire. So I'll take you to that place. Okay, we will cover that part. Almost today I'll share it. You can refer it. So if we go through our topic where we started, yes, here after completion of SC11, we have started this. Yeah, what exactly ABAP is first? Basically, ABAP introduction, ABAP evaluation, from the beginning to till date. Then next, ABAP programming features introductory topic. Yes. Next, so ABAP editor introduction, ABAP editor standards also we have covered. How do you write a sample test program also? How do you explore the ABAP help and ABAP document? Also completed. Next, finally, okay, yes, ABAP roles in the project. Then different ways like ABAP program can be created, copy, rename options, all this stuff. Execution, different ways of execution. Then yesterday started with like how program features, program types, different types of programs. Next, architecture dimension I explained. Okay, what happens with save check activation also you have to, okay. So once it is active, yes, to program, okay, can only used in other programs. That is, if the program status is active, then only it can be called in other program also, used or called. That is, you want to use it anywhere, the status of the program must be active only. This is your execution step. Syntax error, dynamic errors also completed. Now we are into the basics. First, you have to report statement followed by our and any other code. Yes. Okay. But report statement is auto-generated. Okay. You should not comment. Okay. If you go to the our program, system also generated some comment lines here at the top. This is called as global commenting area. In the global comments, we will write who is the author of the program, purpose of the program, description of the program. These above section automatically generated with report space, program name in a commented. Below section here, we will write the this particular purpose and all. Okay, I will come back. So this is your overall what you call it as the style of writing a ABAP program, right? So next, if you look at how what are the different ways comments, single line comment, multi-line comments, and as well as comments purpose and advantage, inline comment also. How do you change the code case also? You can here I mentioned complete. You can select a block of code, piece of code, can convert in whatever the case you want it. But if you select any particular word like this, right click also, you can select a particular keyword also into whatever the required case you can. Okay. Now, this is your ABAP program, another basics. That is nothing but operators before and after we have to provide the space. That is case space sensitive, not case sensitive. I said. Okay. Yes, you can type the program in any case. So we have mentioned this in the beginning only. Yes, this is your ABAP program is not case sensitive, right? So next, I'm going to add it here at this case point of view. So one set of discussion at one place. Next, operators list. Operators are also yes, addition operator, subtraction is because we can add like this. Plus is considered as addition. So minus is subtraction. and multiplication, and div is for a division. Okay, yes, this way. So now we will work on this, not only on the theory. Yes, mod also, power also. Yes, and or not, and equals to, not equals to. So actually, this like can be used for two contexts. So like with respect to relational operator point of view, like is used for what? Like is used, okay, it is used to specify filter condition. To specify filter condition. Filter condition is nothing but where condition. Okay, filter condition is nothing but, yes, where condition. Yes. When we specify where condition, there you can use so and so select star from table into so and so, where particular pattern based comparison to like not like can be used. This like is also used as in the declarations. That is a different section. So altogether, that is not a relational stuff. That is not comparison purpose. That is another purpose we can use. But the keyword remains like only. So these, what is data object? What is instance? Okay, this is instance. Instance or object. In whoops, we use this is bound, is not bound. Field symbol topic and all these things you will come to know in future, not even between and also we will cover later. Yes. Okay. Then there are, so operators must have space before and after. Separator doesn't require. Separators are used to separate operands. Separators doesn't require space. Okay. Require space. This is your overall topic. Then, okay, with this knowledge, we are into this. Okay, how do you write expressions and all? Also, we have covered. Then, if you go to the keywords point of view, yes. So in ABAP, we come across some type of keywords. Yes. In C language, we have 32 keywords fixed. In ABAP, there are many keywords. We never had a particular count. Many keywords are there. Yes. What exactly the keywords? Keywords are also, okay, are called as reserved words. Keywords are called as reserved words. Okay, next. Keywords are yes, specified in uppercase. Okay, keywords are mostly specified in the capital letter uppercase. That's what. Next, each keyword have unique purpose. Okay, each keyword having unique purpose, and yes, it must be used. Okay, it must be used for that purpose only, just like operators. It cannot be used for any other purpose because that is meant for that. That is for keywords. So keywords we will write in the capital letters. Yes. There is a pretty printer through. You can convert all the things into lower upper cases automatically. That also I'll cover. So coming to the keywords. So I can write most commonly used keywords here. Example, data. Data is a keyword. Data keyword is used to declare data objects, like variables. Okay, like variables are structures, or internal tables. Okay, that is about your data keyword. Yes. Next, if you go to the types keyword, types keyword is used to declare local data types. Local data types, again, like elementary types, elementary local elementary types, structure types, and the table types. Structure types and the table. So this is another one, types keyword. Next, constants. Constants keyword is used for what? Is to it is used to declare constant variables. Okay, to declare constant variable or variables. Okay, yes, that's about yes. Next, data types and constants. Then once we move on to that, there is a one. Yes, there are some other declarative statements are there. Parameters. Parameters keyword is used to declare parameter variable to which is used to accept single input value the user. Next, select options. Select hyphen options keyword is used to declare okay, select options internal table. To declare internal table, it is a special internal table. Okay, which is used special with special syntax also, like which is used to accept range of values the user. Range of values. So these are all most commonly. There is a field hyphen symbols. Field hyphen symbols. This keyword is used to declare field symbols. Okay, that's it. So what are the field symbols, where it is used, what is the purpose, and that we'll talk in the upcoming, yes, most common declarative statements. Then in the operation section, we come across select. So select statement or select keyword is used to fetch or retrieve data from database table or tables. Okay, that's about your select statement. Like we have so many move statement. Okay, move is used. Move is used to move to assign a value to variable. Value to variable. If there is a move corresponding is there. Move corresponding is used to move values from one structure to another structure. This way, yeah, like in the operation sections, we use many okay, many keywords in the operations part. Okay. Then next, if you have another area, because lot many keywords I'll introduce in the particular topic point of view. Yes. So in the output section, we have to have this three things. In case of particularly output point of view. Output point of view, we have a right. Okay, you have to observe me. The keywords must be mentioned in a capital letter. Yes. So right keyword right keyword is used to display, okay, program output. Display program output. Yes. Right statement is used, and there is a one uline statement. Uline is a keyword. Uline keyword is used to provide underline without. Then skip keyword. Skip is a keyword. Skip keyword is used to provide provide blank line in the output. To provide this. This is your overall declarations part, then operations, then display or output. So I just mentioned the um, basic things, but going forward, I will give much more keywords. We will discuss it as a separate. Yes. And yesterday's thing, like we have this expressions I particularly mentioned, right? So, expressions point of view, I want to add certain things. That is nothing but suppose in ABAP, that's all. Keywords are over. We are moving to the other topic. That is nothing but again ABAP programming basics. You can call it as in ABAP. Yes. How do you specify the yes in ABAP like the expression like increment notation. If you want to, how do you add increment notation? Suppose you want to in C we write I plus plus. That is post incrementation. Or pre incrementation is plus plus I. But these two statements not supported by ABAP. Then how do we write it? Because ABAP point of view, if you want to write I plus plus, we have to write I equals to I plus 1. Yes, I equals to I plus 1. This is the expression. So that is if it is used outside, it will add one value to the I variable. But if it is used inside the loop, it will add every iteration one value. I value gets incremented to plus 1. Okay. Yes. Next, if you move on to the, you can also do, there is a yes. Alternatively, add 1 to I. Add 1 to I. Yes. Okay. Next, this is your I equals to, yes, decrement notation. Yes. Decrement notation equals to I equals to I minus 1. Yes. Okay. So you can write subtract alternatively. Same rule, if you use directly outside, it will decrease one value minus from the this particular I value, I variable value. But if it is used in the loop, what happens? Every iteration, it gets decreased one value. Okay, minus 1. So alternatively, you have yes, add is a keyword here. Even 2 is also a keyword. Add 1 to I. Yes. You go with this is okay, or alternatively this is also okay. Anything is okay. So alternatively, so subtract 1 okay from I. Yes, this is the decrement notation. Increment and decrement notations can be used in ABAP like this. So this is the way we will study the things. Again, we missed this for your clarity sake. I mentioned this one simple demo program, first program, but we have to study a lot. Suppose first statement. If you see, write new line, skip U line, all those stuff, tables and all. So I am calling two types of things. That is, here I am calling as a statements and keywords also. If you observe, this is a statement. Yeah, why not? This is a statement, system generated, SAP generated statement. If you observe, it begins with report keyword, ends with the period here. It begins with write statement, ends with period here. It begins with the write keyword, ends with period here. Similarly, this is your, but what about this? You have to observe that this is a kind of mm, new line. New line is a new line is a keyword. Okay, new line is a statement also. That is, it doesn't preceded by write new line. New line is a independent statement. Okay, if it is a statement as per our basic rule, every statement, each statement begins with keyword, ends with period. Yes, that's what happening here. It is, it begins with a keyword, it begins with a keyword and end with a period here. That's what happened. Same, skip statement is okay, skip keyword is also okay. Uline statement okay, or uline keyword is also okay. We are beginning with keywords, end with periods. Periods means nothing but yes, clear fundamental topic again. So I introduced comments. Now onwards, I will start using all type of comments also. Right. So now, we have to observe ABAP supports 7 color IDs. Okay, that's what we have to yes. Additional notes. So ABAP supports 1 to 7 color IDs. Okay. Yes. Suppose yes, ABAP uses that is in ABAP mm, in ABAP we use mm, we use American English, USA compatible English, not UK English. That means what? If you go to the color COLOR is there, COLOUR is also there. Yes, US English, UK English. But if I write here COLOUR, it gives error, red color, you know, because that is not accepted. Yeah. So throughout SAP and ABAP, we are going to use with US American style that is globally accepted. Yes, that is one thing. Next, color IDs. So color followed by, okay, suppose write a statement ABAP. ABAP, then after that, suppose this is the operand position. Whatever is possible, just a control space. If you anywhere, suppose after new line anything is possible, I don't know. I am new to ABAP. Even place the cursor here, control space. Only two things are possible. New line followed by scrolling and no scrolling. So even though you are new to ABAP also, you can take the help from this editor by using the control space. Suppose color, I typed it. After ABAP, yes, control space. These are all the keywords. Centered, DD, these are all the keywords possible. If you want to use right justified, yes, click on this, double click, you will get right justified. No, I want control space again, control space. Anything you want to go for left justified. Okay, press tab. Tab is also okay. Just select it, press tab. So this way you will get it. That is, you can save even though you don't know typing. This is the advantage. It saves time and it avoids the typing errors also. That is another advantage. Right. Suppose let's go for color. I used, suppose here in this list, color is there already. Yes. See color centered, etc. So that is at this operand position. But see, if I go for new line, it was not proposed color and all. Okay, you have to observe where is your cursor position. At that cursor position, whatever the possible at that operand position, we call it as. Okay, operand position, whatever is possible, those things only supported. Suppose color. Color followed by it is showing red color. If some red color is there, that is syntactically error. You cannot activate it. It gives error again. If you check error, you are getting that. The error at 28 line, yes, red color, off, on, etc., etc. So that is color. Yes, go for, yes, expected. Go to next. You can go for, even if you don't know what is the keyword supported, control space. So color followed by off, color followed by normal, color followed by negative, color followed by grouping, color followed by negative. Color, there is no keyword called as on. There is no keyword called as on, but you can use off, no color will be displayed. We will see color off for ABAP. What is the impact of color off? Color off is nothing but by default normal color only it is displayed. By default color is off only. Whether you explicitly specify or do not specify. But if you go to the color with background, column background, see you can see that still there is no such color specified because actually yes, even color for grouping color is this. Okay, group color. Yes. ABAP uses this group color. So grouping wherever the in the reporting the groups are used, we use this color. Okay, because in SAP FICO here and there in the reports, you will get that color. Headings are mostly placed by using this color. Headings, this color you will get it. Okay, so ultimately it is a part of 1 to 7 only because here in this way you have to key fields you want to represent it in the reports. Key fields are specified in this color. Okay. Yeah. But it is a part of 1 to 7 only. You have to observe again. Yes, negative values you want to display, minus values. Okay, column negative. So red color is used. Then go to the positive column space positive. Yes. Column normal, column positive. That is particular reports column positive is always green. So green and red is opposite, just like a traffic lights. Okay. Yes. So this is column normal. Column normal is execute. Yes. Normal is normal background color. You have to see because color is you have to observe. Color is applicable for is it totals. So totals are displayed always in the where you have to see the text color is changing or background color is changing. Always background color is changing. So color ID is used. Yes. So color that keyword that addition is allowed along with report along with right statement first fundamentally. Okay. Next, what text color is used to provide background color for the text of the text. Okay, yes, that's about your yes, clear. Then next, so you have to observe how to change the text color. I will talk that later. Text color changes, I will do it later. Then move on to the okay. Suppose if I go to the color 0, execute it. Color 0 is getting error. See, 1 second. Check color 0 is not valid. Only 1 to 7 relevant color IDs only allowed. So if sometimes what happened, you can see, you can copy this message and write it in your notepad as it is. But here I cannot copy because that is the remote system. Okay, a remote system, so that you can only copy within that. So here I will write it. Color 0 not allowed. Color followed by yes 1 to 7. 1 to 7 color IDs only allowed. Yes, because this is one-time discussion. It is applicable to the classic report, interactive report, ALV report, any report, ABAP, and in entire SDMM, FI modules reports, anywhere you take it. This is the fundamental, because ABAP supports these 7 international colors they identified. So we have to go with that way only. Go right, clear? Is this clear? See, this is your only 1 to 7 color IDs are not valid. That means even color 8, color 0 is wrong, color 8 is also wrong. You will get the same error. Got it? But 1 to 7 is accepted. Okay, 1 to 7 is accepted. Any one of the color you can give it. Yes, this is valid. Valid output, you will get it. So these are all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. These are all 7 color IDs. Okay, color discussion is over. Right. So right followed by. So right, you can write uppercase, lowercase. Right followed by some kind of text. This text must be written in single quotes. So within single quotes, whatever you write it, it is going to display in the output. It is where is that ABC is mixing here. You have to write it in a new line so that you will come to know ABC also. One second. Okay, after report, first one is write ABC. Yes, okay. It should be displayed in the new line also, so that you will come to know. Yes, because yes, now ABC came. So why ABC did not came also? You have to have a knowledge, because it was this system constraint. This is the first line, because and if you don't give this way, both are considered as a same line only, and there is a conflict. Okay, I will tell you. So first we will go to this ABC. ABC or XYZ, whatever you write it in single quotes, you will get as it is text. So text is okay. Next explanation. Right followed by text to be displayed, to be printed. Okay. Yes. What next? The text must be written or typed within single within single quotes. Within single quotes. Okay. Yes. It should be written in single quotes. That is for sure. Okay. Yes. Like yes. So whatever we specify within single quotes, and okay, as it is, output will be displayed. It is system displays as it is. This is what. Even within single quotes, you write any unique symbols or numbers or digits or characters, any case. Simply, system doesn't look at what is written inside text. Yes, within quotes. So as it is going to display in the output. That's what is happening. XYZ123, yes, you will get XYZ123 as it is output. Okay, if you don't specify any color, normal color, you will get it. That's what the observations. Okay, clear? Yes. Next, what exactly the observations? So new line. Next, we are moving ahead with yes. New hyphen line. New line keyword or new line statement. Okay, keyword is used to provide output in new line. Output as new. Okay, that is a separate line where I mentioned between color 1 and color 2 output between the new line is introduced. New line is there. NUW, new hyphen line. And moreover, this hyphen is a part of the keyword. This hyphen is a part of the keyword. It's not casually written. If I miss this, if I give space here, yes, this is error. Got it? That is new. The two keywords NEW and LINE is separated by that one. So you have to write it as it is. Okay. Yes. Okay. Right. Alternatively, we have what next? Slash. Slash is also used to provide output in new line. Provide output in new line. Clear? Yes. Next, if you go to the slash, only slash is okay. Uh, slash followed by column position. Slash followed by output column position. Output column position. Right. So that's what happening. If you see here, yes, like because too many explore, you can do it here. Suppose we will go to write. Simply write ABC. I write it here. Then next, write XYZ. If I write it, what will happen? Just observe it. Okay. Just execute. Yes, ABC XYZ is displayed in the same line. Correct? Same line. So in between, can I write slash? No. Slash is allowed along with report statement. That is, if I say write slash, again, this is error. See, slash must followed by some text like that. It's okay. Then it is accepted. Something you have to write it. These are all the rules. Okay, you will come to know so many rules here. That's what. So slash is not allowed here. Slash must be permitted along with the right statement. Okay. Slash is allowed along with right statement. Right statement or right keyword. Right. Next, if you see here, got it right. If you don't give this ABC, if you go to now ABC, next some space is provided. You are getting this space here. Which space? XYZ before space. That is because what happens, these two lines, if you observe, these two lines are printing in a same line. Even I comment this line, ABC, sorry, even I comment it, okay, comment it, yes. Uh, yes, actually, okay, fine, let me complete this, later we'll go to that. So comment it, you will go to, uh, yes, ABC XYZ will be displayed in the same line, okay. That is, if you print adjacent, okay, if you print adjacent again, it is considering if you want to print this way, it is not accepting. You have to go with the other approach. So you can remove these quotes, then it will be common as usual. Okay, this way you can. So this is again error. So these are all fundamental things you have to explore it again. Now it is ABC XYZ. So ultimate right followed by, see again if I write right followed by new line, accepted, right followed by new line, again new line is unknown. See, that is new line is not, doesn't require the preceding keyword called as right. So it seems like simple, but you can do lot many explore with this. Okay, clear? Yes. It is next. If you don't specify, by default, all the values displayed from the first output column position. So if even ABC I have not specified here, but welcome also I specified one. See, A and W is printed on the first output. This is the list screen. Here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. It will go up to 255 column positions. This is your output column position. So by default, output will be displayed at the first column position. Yes. By default, output will be displayed at the first column position. That means output begins from first column position. That's what. Okay. Yes. Whether you specify column position or not, explicitly you can specify the column positions also. Explicitly you can specify the column positions. Right. Next, where you want it, /5 and all. Okay. Yes. Next. So you may have yesterday I forgot to introduce one thing, that is nothing but we can do the, yes, what I said, you can go for, you want to comment this line, can do it by star also accepted, even the double quotes also accepted, I said, right? Both. So if you want to comment these lines, okay, right click, format, comment it out. This is already explained. Okay, to all the stars we got it. Right click, remove it, comment, uncomment out. Right. But next, right click, format, right click, format. We have one more, 1 second. Yes, this one, this two. Comment, comment out lines, comment out selections. So selections what? See, at a time selected lines, the first column position, we got the double quotes. Right click, format. Yes, you go to uncomment selection. Uncomment selection. Yes, this is what you can do it, because more right click through that provisions are there. Okay, all these things. Right. Next. So that's about your right statement. Okay. Next, we have right followed by slash followed by column position. Yes. slash followed by column position. Column position, if you specify it, what happens is used to display output in specified, okay, column position. That is actually the, at this column slash 5 means this is beginning column position. Okay, this output specified begin column position. Okay, yes, because where the output base should begin. Yes, begin column position. That's it. Then if you go to the next thing, we have a offset also. Yes, offset is nothing but if you go to the column position, okay, column position followed by bracket, so you can give the offset length. Offset length. This is offset length is optional, in fact. Yes, offset length is used. Yes, you okay. Okay, offset length value must be a digit or number. Okay, what is the advantage of that is like you have to specify like what it is. Like this particular U line or skip to be applicable to that particular output line. So I can take you to that place. We will discuss. So first, so you got this write statement explore completed new line is over. Skip is also into three types. Only skip 1, 2, 3, 4, or skip to line number. What are the difference? So if I go to only skip, skip statement mm, provides one blank line, in the output wherever you specify. So skip followed by n. That is this statement. Okay, this statement provides n blank lines. N blank lines in the output. Okay, n blank lines in the output. Where you are using this is also matter. Only skip between color 2 and color 3 between one line came. So this color 3 and 4 between also, that is 1 is by default, whether you explicitly write it or don't write it. Then go to the skip 2. Yes, how many blank lines you wanted. That's okay. You got understood that. Skip to line number. What is this? Skip to line 20 means in the output, this is your line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip to line 20 means by leaving the first 20 lines, the next output will be displayed. That is the concept of skip to line 20. Okay. So skip to line, yes, line number. So what is this particular statement does what? The statement skips, okay, skips the output, okay, skips the output, yes, with the specified line numbers. Specified line numbers. Okay, this is reflected on output. Okay, in output. So there are three different ways you can use this skip statement also, just to provide the blank lines. Okay, got it. After 20, this output will be displayed on 21, 22, 23, like that, and so on it will print. Okay. Then next, go to the uline part. Okay. Go to uline goes like this. Uline is used Uline is used to provide underline. Underline without. Okay. So only uline provides. Okay. Uline statement provides complete. Okay. Uline provides complete single underline. A complete means if you go and check here, somewhere I started after 25, Uline came. Yes. So yes, this is your from here first column position to till last column position, one single underline came. That is because of the Uline. So you have to observe one thing, whatever the go-to menu attributes, here I mentioned test program. The test program automatically displays the title. The attributes title will be displayed as a title in the output as well as heading of the report screen also. And again, here this underline I have not specified. This page 1 also right side came automatically. These three are automatic display. Okay. Now if you go to here, this is your basic like complete one underline. But if you want to go for underline in a different manner, what is that is, yes, you can go to Uline. What are the additional possible? Uline followed by column position. So column position, output column position. So that is nothing but say Uline. Did I give new line? No. See after, okay, this is your, yes, only underline, then 30, yes, 30th, then again, yes, this way. So output in a new line, okay, yes. If you don't give this new line, suppose, what will happen is the question. What will happen is the question. So if you observe it, yes, then only underline is displayed. What is the text? Where is the text? This is seventh color text. No. So that's what if you go to here, first system writes this statement. After that underline statement, you will get it. Okay, because see, it is interpreter based. Interpreter means line by line, it will keep on writing into a buffer, internal buffer. Finally, at the last, at the end of the program, finally the list will be displayed with the that buffer, whatever the written into buffer, everything will be displayed at a time at one step. Okay. Yes, this is what happens internally. Okay, got it? Yes. So next, if you go to the particular underline, you can write this. This is called as, I'm writing it as a offset. That is nothing but underline to be written for, this is your beginning column position. Yes. So what happens? Statement, the statement writes, or the statement is used to display underline as new line, okay, specified begin column position. So COL underscore POS is nothing but a column position. Okay. So you have to sync my notes with the example program. This is the way you have to, because see what exactly this notepad is all about. This notepad is nothing but my program. So in this program, whatever explanation, this explanation I mentioned there. Okay. So you have to check it out. Yes, both in sync at a time. Parallelly, you can keep it and as notes through, you have to observe it because On the day one, I just typed as it is. First, I want to introduce these things. Now, I'm giving explanation why not, what are all the stuff and okay. So if you, okay, we will move on to the next session.